Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, how do I find investors? What are some ways to find investors for my company? So you have a couple of different channels. Number one, you have the people that know you that are willing to invest in you, right? That's always the best investor. Then you have number two, you have angel investors, VCs, funding, things like that. Those are a little less difficult to get funding through because that's individual money. Third would be through an investment company, or actually number four could be a debt play. So you take out a line of credit on debt through a funding source, like Seven Figures Funding. There's a good example of that. That's completely debt backed against your assets. And you just got to look at what's right for you. But those are four sources to do that. And the kicker is they're all going to require one hell of a strong business plan for anybody to invest in you so they can see the future of the company's growth path. I hope that was helpful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my seven-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.